ICAO is an international organization of the UN. It was created by the Chicago Convention in 1944. And basically it sets standards for aviation in a wide range of fields, and it also sets policies for aviation. And these standards and policies are the basis for state regulations worldwide to which our airlines are submitted. So it's very important that these are set in a way that is favorable to the possibility of a business thriving and is also safe, because our business is all based on safety. We have a very profound working relationship. We are part of all their working groups which actually generate standards, which are the panels, and all the way up to their governance, like the council and the council's subsidiary bodies. So the interaction is total in the whole process of producing not only standards, but also the policies of ICAO in relation to aviation. Very close relationship. The Assembly is itself the AGM of ICAO. So it's like a shareholders meeting where all 193 states are invited, but as well the international organizations. And the Assembly drives the priorities of ICAO for the next triennium and also the budget of ICAO. And it's very important to us that these priorities are driven to the areas that are important for our industry. Well, this year, like in other years, environment and sustainability is usually a very important item, and on our part, we like to ensure that ICAO's global carbon exchange is the single reference for carbon exchange, avoiding extra taxation by countries on the guise of a green tax, which not always becomes a green tax. We need to ensure safety issues are properly highlighted. We have some issues in relation of aircraft accident investigation and the way standards are complied with. We would like to prioritize global harmonization on a number of other fields, like accessibility, security, and others. And an important issue is also the collateral effect of conflicts, such as GPS interference, missile launches in commercial aviation airspace, and other issues that are affecting not only safety, but stymieing the efficiency of conducting air transport. We're actually submitting 14 working papers and another set of information papers. The working papers have action items covering the areas of environment, taxation, flight safety, facilitation, standard implementation, and use of frequency spectrum, and more specifically interference with the spectrum used by aviation. IATA is supporting a number of different working papers from states and international organizations which align with our objectives.